I have been giving you a lot of ideas about passive income, and I'm also saying that you should get money from a second hustle. So I wanted today to show to you that in developed countries like United States, it's possible to do a second income while you are doing your normal course of thing. Such a move has come to India also, but will take some more time. That today I'm going to discuss about 5 ideas. Four of these are also applicable to India, and the first one today is primarily an American idea, but will soon come to India also. So, while you do your daily chores, you can accumulate dollars. But at the same time, you must be careful because nothing comes free. Because while you do this, you also are selling your data. This is apart from normal things you do. So, before we go into these smart ideas by which you can make some passive income, let's do the following. Hit the like button of my video, engage with us, comment so that we can give you better content. Subscribe to my channel and press the subscribe button. Ask your friends and relatives to do so. Turn on the bell notification so that every video reaches you. The Google algorithm works in such a way those who have a bell notification receive every video. Welcome back to Be Rich. First thing, make money from daily activities. In the United States, you can earn money by redeeming money on your everyday purchases. Suppose you are ordering Starbucks or Amazon or Walmart or any such thing. It is quite possible that you can earn money by doing normal day to day activities like shopping in Amazon, shopping in Walmart, and even buying goods of Starbucks. There is a app called Swagbucks which pays you for doing regular online stuff. You can also take online surveys and it can do a lot of variety of tasks which normally you do, like checking email, playing games. Overall, the concept and reward structures are same. Even you can do with a competitor called Inbox. With Inbox, I think you get a sign up bonus because they don't have the first more advantage. But unless you get to $30, you cannot claim the benefits. In India, we have started just now. For making your credit card payments, you can go through an app called Cred. Cred rewards you and manages your credit card for you. The Cred is doing this because they want to copy your spending patterns, and using your spending patterns they will tell you and suggest what to buy and what not to buy. They use it for marketing. Google does it and they are trying to copy Google. Second, if you have a car in United States, you can make it work for you. You can connect it, you can make it a passive income. While you are driving around, you can pick up or drop people using Uber. But there is also another app which is Get Around. Get Around is a neighborhood app, so you don't have to go long distances. Just drop people while you're doing your chores. It's also possible to pick up and drop parcels while you're doing your job. You can also rent your cars while you are not using it. Suppose you are on vacation, you can rent your car. In India, if you don't have a car, very few people have cars. You can use your bike like this. The bike has several apps like Rapido, Bounce, etc., by which you can rent it to somebody who is free for the day. He'll pay you fixed commission. Use your bike and give you some money. Rapido is basically the Uber for two-wheelers. So is Bounce. And I'm told there are many options. I know of people who rent out their bikes to people Swiggy delivery men and to even Dunzo delivery men. So if you have a bike while you are doing something else, you can rent it for doing Dunzo. So whether it's America or whether it's India, it can be done. Third, rent out your room in your house. Airbnb is the most famous app. I once went to Goa, I stayed in an Airbnb house. So if you have a decent room and you can provide breakfast, you can always have a guest at rates much cheaper than the hotel. Then you make some money. This can be a regular income and supplement. Lot of people in villages have converted their house into stay at home places. Tea estates are doing this. There are a lot of apps on the social media. You can use it. Airbnb is the most famous one, especially during the tourist season. Your house is a very valuable asset. Even if you are renting the house, you can sublet one room. This is very popular and you can do this. 4. You can invest in bonds and dividend paying stocks. This is true in India. If you had bought ITC at 150, you would have got the rates dividend rates much better than today's fixed deposits, while the capital grows. There are several such advantageous stocks like this. So, where dividend yields are higher than fixed deposits. In America, bond rates are very poor. You have to look at junk bonds. But if you're an Indian American or an Indian, and you can save up to more than a lakh of rupees, you can look at high quality corporate bonds, which will beat inflation over a period of time. So this is passive income. If you put away 1 lakh, you'll get about 9,000 a year and you can sell the bond whenever you want it. Finally, at point 5 is what is known as affiliate marketing. I can do affiliate marketing. I chose not to do so. I can promote brands on my YouTube channels. People will see it. Lot of people do that. Similarly, people write blogs and promote their product on blogs. You can write notes on Amazon products and make money out of it. Suppose you have used a product, you know what its features are. You can explain it well in a blog and endorse it. Every time a person who sees your blog and goes to that place makes some money, you will get a commission. That's the affiliate commission. The famous podcaster Tim Ferriss, at every of his blog, he will deal out a certain set of offers with a lot of useful sites and pitch for it. Every time somebody who listens to him and enters his code and buys that product, he is going to get a commission. This can be a product or a service. Today, affiliate marketing is a very popular thing. There are a lot of people who approach YouTubers like us and tell us what to do. These are 5 basic things you can do to augment your income without changing your daily routine, whether you are in India or whether you are abroad. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to bericenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கமெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் டெஃபினட்டாக கமெண்ட்ஸ் போடுங்க. நீங்கள் மோர் கமெண்ட் போட போட தான் நான் எது மாதிரி கண்டென்ட் கொடுக்கணும்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.